Hello family and friends, and welcome back to Cooking with Cousins. Today I made an old family recipe for cowboy cookies that I'm going to share with you. Though, due to my father's and my allergies to walnuts, I have removed the nuts and redubbed them Cowgirl cookies because, no nuts. Start by preheating your oven to 375 degrees on bake. Next, in a large bowl, mix a teaspoon of cinnamon, a teaspoon of baking soda, and half a teaspoon of baking powder. Now mix your first three ingredients together. In a separate bowl, cream together a cup of soft butter, 1 cup maple sugar, and 1 cup brown sugar. Add the butter mixture to the cinnamon mixture and begin on the rest of the ingredients. First, add 1/4 teaspoon salt, then a teaspoon of vanilla. Two eggs, courtesy of Hermione and Ginny. Proceed to mix these thoroughly. If you have a stand mixer, this would go much faster. Add 2 1/4 cups flour. Next comes the part I always looked forward to when I was younger. Knead in the chocolate chips using your hands. Now we need the oats. Using the same technique as before with the chocolate chips, mix in the oats. For the members of my family who like it, I have separated a portion of dough out to add in the walnuts. I've gone with 1 cup of walnuts, but you can add as little or as much as you'd like. With a cookie scoop or tablespoon, make balls of dough and place them on your prepared cookie sheets. With the oven at 375 degrees, bake them for 10 to 15 minutes or until your preferred golden appearance. For my oven, the results look kind of like this. My great-grandmother Eleanor had black walnut trees on her farm in Owensville, Missouri, where my great-grandfather would also use them to do carpentry. I have made a minor alteration to this recipe myself, replacing the 1 cup of white sugar with maple sugar, as I liked its effect on the depth of flavor. To restore this recipe to when it was first handed to me, you would put the black walnuts back in and swap out the maple sugar for the white. Enjoy the cookies and see you next time.